Good afternoon to one. Good afternoon to one and all. I take pleasure in introducing myself as Haindvi Tatwarthi. I am from ECEC. Today I want to give a PowerPoint presentation on rural community. The rural community means rural is nothing but a village. A community is nothing but it includes all the culture, tradition, and according to law there are some of the rules. It also includes that. Main features of village community. Village is a primary institution. In my point of view, village, the natural world starts in the village only. If the technology has been developed and the urban areas came into existence like that, so on. Community, they have a sense of unity and a feeling of belongingness to each other. For example, a problem came into the village and it is not involved by one person only, it is involved by all the persons. So coming together, I want to give a quote to justify my statement. Coming together is a beginning, working together is a progress, and working together with all the facilities is a success. And religion. Faith in religion and universal power is found in the life of the villagers. Faith in religions. As my friend Anushika said that there are many religions existence in the world, such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Christianism, so on. Lifestyle. Lifestyle is when we compare rural areas with urban areas, the lifestyle is totally different as there are limited sources are available in rural areas. Because I have compared this with urban areas with rural areas, where if we consider any two, then only we can say that it is good or it is bad. So that's why I have compared rural areas with urban areas, and rural areas is somewhat lagging in the facility of lifestyle. Government services, libraries, which are very important, schools are also maybe distant, but I have given the word distant because some of the schools are present in the village, which does not have even a shelter or even a classroom to study there. Actually, I am coming from Bondapalli. It is a village in which a government school is there. It is not having even a shelter and even a classroom, and a teacher is there for more than 60 students. A single teacher is there. That's the facility it is in the rural community. Next, utilities. As you all know that water is an important thing. It is also considered as a universal solvent, and it is a very important factor for the essential of the life. So water is not present. For every 2 days, there will be a municipality facility in the villages. For every 2 days, we will get 1 bucket of water. It is also lagging of water facility. Next, street lighting. As we want to we are traveling during night times. Okay, when we are having the light, so that we can prevent the accidents from the street lighting. Next, garbage collection. Due to the extensive of garbage collection, many rural people are affected by the diseases. Public transport, it is very limited. I have taken these photos from reference google.com, and this first photo considered as it is the life of the rural people, and he is one of the person to get his father, his parents. His sons and daughters left away, and it is his old age. So how he seated like that without any having he was ignored by all. It is agriculture. All of them note that agriculture is the main occupation in the rural community. If the technology has not been developed, the agriculture will be like this. If someone from rural, urban people, urban is nothing but somewhat the technology has been developed. If anyone went to visit a village, and if anyone will explain what the technology has been developing, because may not be the rural people does not know how the technology has been developing, and if they know, we assume that if they know what are the applications, they don't know. If someone of us can visit the village and try to make them the use of applications, the agriculture will change it to like this. So it is a better development. Next, development. If we assume that there is a development in rural area, it can bring infrastructure, technology, health, education, economy. Infrastructure is nothing but the basic facilities, services needed for the functioning of a village. Technology, as I have earlier said that due to the technology, the agriculture has been changed from oldest to old to new. Next, health, garbage collection. If the garbage collection is proper, then we may eradicate the health. Education, it is almost without education, a man will lost his life. Next, economy. Economy is nothing but the effective management of the resources which we are having. Next, rural is backward due to traditional way of thinking, poor understanding, lack of confidence, poor awareness, poor marketing facilities, poor infrastructure facilities like water, electricity, transport, education, low level of education to understand developmental efforts and new technology. Here, poor marketing facilities is there. That means there are maybe there are shops, maybe there are markets, but in which they gave a high cost, but the rural people does not know what's the price in this. If we want to buy a rice of 1 kg, then we know how much it is, 30 rupees. We will give automatically we will give 30 rupees. But in some villages, I have seen that it is 50 rupees. It is increased to 60 rupees. 30 rupees is commission, and they will give automatically. They will give 60 because they don't know any education to understand the technology. So finally, I conclude this with: if we rural is said to be developed, if we build infrastructure, public service, communication, to improve health, living condition, education, to generate employment, farm and storage, economical activities. Infrastructure I have discussed earlier. Public service is nothing but due to the ambulance 108, maybe the accidents will be more than in the villages only. So if there are services of public like ambulance, so that we can improve our rural community. Communication, it should be there because to exchange our ideas, to develop our technology, we should have communication. To improve health, garbage collection is mostly the main reason for the health. Living condition, we should have 3 main facilities like food, clothing and shelter. It should be there even if the rural community. Education is the most probably the want. In rural people, maybe the age of 12 to 13 years also, they are all going to cultivate the agriculture, because due to the lack of developmental efforts, their lack of confidence, poor awareness, maybe those are also some of the reasons. Next, to generate employment, if we create the job facilities, they may work hard and get to try their level best to change the rural into urban. Farm and storage, as wheat, rice, some of them are agricultural products, we can store and we can use that in whenever we want. So for example, hudud is the best example of this. Next, economical activities. If these are all there in the rural, it is said to be developed. Thank you. Any queries?
Good.